there, tech aficionados. Having spent a whopping 13 years in the dynamic world of tech retail in South Africa, I've seen my fair share of laptop repair misadventures. Trust me when I say there's more to this game than meets the eye. Buckle up, because today I'm rolling out 5 essential precautions that will save your laptop, data, and perhaps your sanity. Tip 1. Capture comprehensive pictures. Before you hand over your laptop for repair, snap pictures of it from all angles. These images can serve as evidence to protect you against any scratches or damages that might occur while transporting or repairing the unit. Don't forget to document the condition of the keyboard as well. Make sure the recorded condition matches the job card details precisely. This step can save you from potential disputes over damages that weren't there initially. Tip 2. Backup and secure your data. Backing up your data is paramount, especially since laptops needing repair often have functionality issues and cannot be accessed prior to repair. Utilize reliable cloud services like Google Drive and Microsoft OneDrive to safeguard your important files. With Google Drive, you can download and install an application that will make a folder available on your laptop. You can save all your important documents to. Any files saved in this folder will be uploaded automatically. If you're dealing with sensitive data, consider removing it temporarily before sending your unit for repair. That's if you have access to the unit. A good habit to get into to prevent any concerns in regards to files or folders you don't want everyone to see is to encrypt those files as you work. You can use free programs like 7-Zip or VeraCrypt. These little programs can password protect your files so that only you can access them and ensure that your data remains secure and intact throughout the repair process. I'll put links for 7-Zip and VeraCrypt in the description below. Tip 3. Preserve your proof of purchase. It may seem a bit self-explanatory, but you will have to have a receipt to prove where you purchased a unit when taking it in for repair. A hurdle to this is that thermal paper receipts are susceptible to fading, particularly when exposed to heat or sunlight. To counter this, take a picture of your receipt and send it to yourself via WhatsApp. Alternatively, scan the receipt and store it in the cloud for added security. Some retailers even have the option to have your receipt emailed to you at the point of sale. If you can do this, this is a good option to take. Having your proof of purchase readily at hand is essential, as it can streamline the repair process and prevent any unnecessary hurdles. Tip 4. Understand your warranty coverage. Consult the documentation that came with your laptop, or alternatively check the supplier's website for detailed information. Keep in mind that warranties usually don't cover software-related issues, user customization, or physical damage due to misuse. If the problem isn't a clear-cut hardware fault like a booting issue or a dead pixel, there might be charges involved. Being aware of these details can save you from unexpected costs and misunderstandings. Tip 5. Hold the retailer accountable. Reputable retailers typically have a turnaround time for their repairs that they communicate to their clients. This is usually stated in business days, so weekends and public holidays do not count. If the repair process surpasses this time frame, don't hesitate to hold them accountable. Escalate the matter to management if necessary, or get the company head office involved. To ensure you have a record of all interactions, communicate via email. This can help you avoid any discrepancies and provide evidence of what was promised. And that's a wrap for today's video. Before we sign off, I'd like to emphasize one last point. If your laptop is vital for your child's education or your business operations, seriously consider having a backup laptop available. While not always feasible, having a contingency plan can minimize disruption caused by unexpected repairs. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I look forward to catching you in our next tech update.